Microsoft has just released official Windows 11. Hey, what's up guys, KSK Ryle here. In this video, you will learn how to install a stable Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. I'm going to show you how to download and install Windows 11 from scratch. You can use this guide to either install a Windows 11 on a brand new drive using a clean installation method, or use this guide to reinstall a Windows 11. Now, before starting this video, make sure your system supports a Windows 11 requirements like a TPM 1.2, UEFI, and secure boot. Now, if in case your system doesn't have a TPM, check the description for more information. Anyway, the prerequisites of this video: make sure you need a computer running a Windows 10, you need a 8 gigs or higher pen drive to create a bootable USB with Windows 11. You also need a 64 GB or higher hard drive or SSD to clean install a Windows 11. Now anyway, let's get into the installation part. Now open your browser, and the first link from the description will take you to this page where you can download the official Windows 11 from Microsoft. The first option you see here helps to upgrade to Windows 11 from Windows 10 using the Windows 11 Assistant. Since we are installing a Windows 11 on a brand new drive, aka clean installation, I'm going to pick the second option to create a Windows 11 installation media. So this helps to download the Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft and create a bootable media. So go ahead, download a Windows 11 media creation tool. Also, you can directly download a Windows 11 ISO using the third option and burn it to a pen drive using a Rufus. Now go ahead and connect the pen drive to the computer or laptop. Now once it's done downloading the Windows 11 media creation tool, open it. Now accept the license terms and conditions. Then make sure the recommended option is ticked and click on next. Now here, choose the first option to download a Windows 11 and create a bootable Windows 11 USB in one click. Now sit back and relax. This process will take some time, and make sure your computer is connected to the internet to download a Windows 11, and do not close this program. Now, if in case you have downloaded a Windows 11 ISO and decided to burn using a Rufus, you can follow this step and discard this step number 2. Now go ahead and download the Rufus from the link in the description and run this program with admin privileges. Now inside here, choose your pen drive letter. Then import the Windows 11 ISO. Now once it's done, under the partition scheme, choose a GPT if your system uses a UEFI, or choose MBR if your system uses a BIOS mode. To check whether your system boot mode is BIOS or UEFI, open the Run dialog and type msinfo32, and here you can see the boot mode on your computer. Now in this case, the recommended option is to choose a GPT for UEFI systems. Now go ahead, click on Flash to start creating a bootable Windows 11 USB. Alright, so now we have done creating a bootable USB with Windows 11. It's time to install a Windows 11 on a brand new drive. Now as you can see, my computer has connected to two drives. The drive 0 is where Windows 10 has currently installed, and the drive 1 is where I'm going to install Windows 11. Anyway, go ahead, reboot the computer. While it's rebooting, enter into a BIOS mode by pressing the F2 or delete key. Then inside the BIOS, you need to enable the secure boot. Now otherwise, Windows 11 may not going to boot. Now in this case, I have enabled a secure boot. Now once it's done, save the changes. Now hold F10 or F12 on your keyboard to enter into a boot mode. Now from here, choose your pen drive. Now in this case, my pen drive is a SanDisk, and I'm going to choose this drive to boot into a Windows 11 setup. Now inside the Windows 11 live setup, choose the language, then choose your country and the keyboard layout. Then click on next and choose to install a Windows 11. Now if in case you have the Windows 10 license key, you can use it here. Now for now, I will select this option. Now here, choose the flavor of Windows 11. Now in this case, I would pick a Windows 11 Pro and click on next. Accept the license terms and conditions, then click on next and choose the custom option. Now under the partition setup, you can see the list of drives connected to the PC. The drive 1 is where I decided to install Windows 11. As you can see, the drive 1 has two partitions and the partition 2 is not allowing me to install a Windows 11. Now this is because the drive is not properly formatted to install a Windows 11. To fix this issue, on your keyboard, hold Shift plus F10 to open the command prompt. Now inside the command prompt, type disk part. Now type list disk. I'm going to select a first disk, which is a disk 1. To do so, type select a disk and the drive letter. Now once it's selected, type a detail disk to see that you have selected the correct drive. Now in my case, the SSD vendor name is WD, so I'm good with it. Now type a clean to format the drive. Now once it's done, type convert a GPT to use a GPT partition mapping on the brand new SSD. Now type exit from the command prompt. Now back to the partition screen, here click on a refresh to affect the changes. Now you can see the drive 1 is showing as unallocated free space. Just gonna go ahead, select this drive and click on new. Now this will create a 2 or 3 partitions. Now choose the main primary partition and click on next to start installing a Windows 11. That's it. Now sit back and relax. The installation will take some time depending on the writing speeds of your computer. Once it's done, your computer should restart to Windows 11. You can go ahead, eject the pen drive. As you can see here, it is showing you both Windows 11 and Windows 10. So I'm going to pick a Windows 11 and the computer should reboot a couple of times. Now, after some time, you can finally see the welcome screen of Windows 11. You go ahead, disable the internet connection on your computer by removing the Ethernet cable. So this way, we can bypass the welcome screen very fastly. Now follow the on-screen instructions and set up the brand new Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. And that's pretty much it. This is how you properly install a Windows 11 on your PC or laptop from scratch. So let me know what you think about it. So if in case you're having any issues installing a Windows 11, so comment down below and I will try my best to help you. So thanks for watching this video. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye.